Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, roof rails, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.